Welcome to another trading session. We are officially on our way to $1 million payout trading the futures market. And this is the first day, and I'm super pumped about it. So we're gonna be trading together, guys, and we're gonna get to $1 million payout in the futures market. Right, that's exactly right. That is exactly what we're gonna do. So we're gonna figure out a couple of things. We are transitioning from FX to the future market, but we are trading FX as well, but we are transitioning. And the goal is to get $1 million payouts with all them prop firms, and I believe we're definitely gonna get that in less than no time. So today we are trading the market 2 hours trading, 8:30 to 10:30. That is our goal. Let's see what is happening right now. Right here, the market is reacting around the failed breakout from the 5-minute. Let's look at the 5-minute to get a sense of direction in terms of what we are doing. As you all understand, the market takes pride in misdirection, okay? So we are looking right here. We've established a resistance and support area. And look at what happened. After a strong resistance, the market break out with this big buy candle, right? A casual mind, by looking at that, they're going to be like, you know what? This is a good signal. The market is trying to go up, right? But that is not going to be us. The fact there was resistance and support, the market makers understand that at this level, breakout traders will be more interested to take this price on. So they are trying to grab liquidity from them. So break past resistance with a strong buying pressure. And guess what happened? The wick followed through. So that was an inducement bar. That was not the real move. And now it came back there. Fake out buyers came back now. Faking out sellers are worse. Sellers feel like, hey, it's going to go down. And it eventually went down, right? Then it came back at the retest of this level. That is a perfect time for entry. But even at that, it wasn't a clear retracement. It went a little bit further to induce more buyers. And now it is giving us that correction. This was our first trade of the day. That's exactly how we trade. We try to see what the market makers are doing and what other retail traders could be possibly doing. And we try to position ourselves opposing to that. That is why we are upwind traders, right? We are upwind. We go counterwind. We go counter what the market makers might be trying to insinuate, and what the retail traders are looking to consider as a possible entry, but we just try to be a couple of miles ahead of all them so we can outsmart and outmaneuver them in this market. It's going to be an interesting journey, guys. We're going to be learning a lot of things together. Welcome on board. On our way to $1 million payout in the futures market. That was a perfect trade. We called that out, but we're trying to set up our stuffs. And now it looks like it's giving the money. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I like that. That is a distribution playing out right in front of our eyes. I love that. I just love to see it. Top point stop loss. The risk reward. All right, now we got to do some thinking. Is the market finna retrace? A good resistant area right here. The market is trying to go past this complexity, and we are seeing the sellers kind of be like, you know what? I feel like we're tired. We are comfortable with the money we have made, and we're going to chicken out and let the buyers go. And some of the sellers will be like, you know what? I am greedy as hell. I'm not willing to let it go. And they are still fighting. They're still fighting to see who's eventually going to be in control. Oh, I like the way it opens. Sellers are mounting pressure. That is a gap. That is a gap that opened right there. The sellers are telling us, boys, you know what? We are not done yet. We are not done yet. We gotta push this thing a little bit further down. And guess what? We are ready for it. Push it down and give us the money. Give us the money. We're ready for it. Push it down. Push it down. Take it where you want to take it to. We are ready. All right. Quite an interesting tons of events unfolding. The market is ours for the taking. All right. The five minute. Oh no, this is not the futures market. I was like, what the hell is going on? Let's go to 5 minutes and see the positioning of this market. These were the clear areas of resistance. Our little breakout right there. So we are thinking the market could at least come to this level. Okay. The market could at least come to this level. Couple of levels that the market has respected. They could come to both levels. And this is another area. A little grab right here. And a further grab. Could the market come back to test this area? Would the market come back to test this area? I don't know. But guess what? Anything is possible in this market. All right. So NQ has moved by 164 points before the market opens. Let's see what the market is going to give us for the taking the moment the market's open, right? Right now, it looks like the market is trying to go back up. The buyers are like, boys, we're trying to take this thing to the moon. Okay? Are the buyers gonna have absolutely dominance in terms of taking this price to the opposite direction? Or are the buyers still lingering around, and like, guess what, boys? We were responsible to come all the way down, but at the same time, we're probably not ready to let it go yet. That's why the buyers are still showing their ugly head, like some of y'all be doing. Okay? The buyers took the stupid pill, the stubborn pill, like we like to do, right? We like to take the stubborn pill and go in the opposing direction to the wind. That is why we are called the upwind traders. We go against the wind. Sellers are like, boys, we are not ready to give up yet. We still believe we could take this thing a little further down. And on our 5 minute, we are seeing the sellers the buyers are losing steam on the 5 minute, right? And the sellers are strongly in control on the 5 minutes. So that is what we love to see. The 5 minute is giving us a better picture in terms of what could possibly happen. I love to say it. I love my 5 minutes. I love them so much. I just love the 5 minute. I just love my 5 minute. They're giving me a clearer direction of what the market is trying to do. All right, boys and girls, welcome, welcome. What are you all thinking is going to happen? We are just now kinda a little bit greedy. You know, we could close everything here and it wouldn't be the bad idea. It wouldn't be the bad idea. This is a strong resistance area. So you know what? I think let's close it. Let's close it. 1:1 for 5. Let's close it. That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. 7 points, 29 ticks. That was a good one. That was a good one. So a good warm up. Let's see what is happening. Nothing is clear yet. We are in the midst of this range. The market makers could be accumulating. So we're not going to do anything stupid. But we are 9:14, 15 minutes to the market open. 9:15 is equally an important time. All right. Let's go to our calendar and see if we got some good news. No serious news coming today. We have the pending home sales, which is a medium news event. We have the pending home sales, another medium news event. Oh, my city, Dallas on the map. We got a Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index. How about them Dallas Cowboys? We love our Dallas, right? We just love our Dallas. We just love them. All right, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Medium. So apparently today is not gonna be a bloody day on the street. So everything seems good. No news event, nothing we could be at a lookout for. And that is always good, right? Oh, did we close early? Did we? It looks like it. So at the moment, there is no news event to get us a little worried. So we can wait and see what becomes of this market. Awesome. Nothing is clear yet. Right now, nobody's in charge. Both the buyers and sellers, they are looking through things. So what just happened? Both the buyers and sellers are looking through things. Nothing is clear yet. Nothing is clear like yet. At the same time, we are observing. This seems like a strong area of accumulation. Nothing has to be done at this point. If you can sit on your hands, you can't be a freaking trader. Some of y'all be thinking trading is just like gambling. You just come in here and you just buy, sell. Guess what? If that's your mindset, you might as well locked off, because this is not gonna be the right channel for you, because you're gonna be pissed up from hearing the truth. This is a no BS, no hold bars channel. We tell it as it is, straight shooters, all right? If you can't sit in your hands, you might as well do something else with your freaking life, because you can't be a trader. If you want to trade, you got to be patient. Oh, Arnold, I'm not patient. Be patient. That's it. How do you be patient? Be patient. You got to learn to be patient. That is how you do it, okay? Don't be like, I'm not patient. There we go again. You trying to make another excuse. But guess what? The market does not care for your excuses. If you're one of those people that have lived through your life making excuses, I got bad news for you. The market is going to show you they don't give the freaking F about your excuses. So get your acts together, all right? Get your life together. Isn't that crazy? I remember there was a time I was talking to this girl. She was a little bit slow. She was slow as hell. So I was talking to her and I'd be like, get your life together, you know, just kind of jokingly. And she went off on me, bro. She went off on me, guys. She was like, oh, Arnold, you can't be talking to me like that. I know my life is not in order, but you can't be putting it to my face. I'm like, come on. I'm joking, right? Get your life together. It's just a way to talk. You can't be this serious on the streets, right? Life is not made for you to be on your toes and trying to fight everybody. There we go. You being a combatant. No, that's not what it's all about. Life is meant to be taken seriously, but to be lived with joy. Just imagine if you live your whole life, you're trying to look, same people are trying to get me because I'm a black man, because I'm a white man, everybody's trying to get me. If you live your life like that, you're just going to be a boring ass, depressing son of a gun. And I hope you're not here looking at me. I hope you're not here watching at me. All right, interesting. Nothing in the market at the moment. Nothing that is quite worthwhile. But it's about to be 9:30. The market is about to fully open in the next 10 minutes. But we've already gotten something in our quiver. All right, let's see what else we get from this. What can we read from here? There is nothing to read here. The market is in the range. Possibly there is an accumulation going on. It's a pre-market. The banks are loading in a position, right, to determine what direction they're eventually gonna go. Quite concerning, and it's something is worth researching. I'm thinking, could the way the market trades in the pre-market, I mean like the last hours of the pre-market, could that give us a certain clue or indication as to where the markets are trying to go, right? What do you all think about that thought? Could that be something worth exploring, boys and girls? Could that be something worth exploring? Could that be a thought that we could take into the lab and try to gather some data to validate that idea? Thinking out loud. The last hour of this market has been the market on a bearish. The sellers has been in charge. Could that be, as the market opened, the buyers will eventually take charge? Because right now we can see the bankers and they are loading their orders. They are positioning their orders in the market. They are doing that right now. That's why we're having the back and forth accumulation, manipulation. Everything is slow. Why is everything slow now? Guess what? This is trillions of dollars in this market, but everything seems like it is standing still. And some of y'all think the markets, they are not rigged, or there is nothing beneath what catches your eyes in terms of what is happening in this market. Sorry, but everything in this market goes beyond what catches your eyes, all right? And your ability to kind of try and attempt to try to understand what could possibly be happening is what is gonna give you an edge in the trading world. Let's look what is happening. Everything is still in this zone, with the buyer exerting a little influence as to where price is gonna go, but nothing too clear yet. We are still observing, but the buyers have showed us that they can do something with this market. They came here a little bit stronger than this previous week rejection. This candle was a little bit stronger. Could it be the candle where the sellers finally give up and now the buyers have control? Could it be the give up bar? We got to pay attention to the give up bar. Could that be where the sellers, they came to their wit's end and they were like, you know what? I've been trying to get this thing beyond this point, but it seems like the market is adamant and they are not willing to go down. Could that be the sellers checking it out? Sellers could that be the sellers giving up? Maybe I might be right. Apparently, it looks like your boy Arnold was right one more freaking time. Okay. That looks like the sellers was giving up right there, and that push, right, is almost like the last push that happened, right? And sometimes when people want to give up, when something is hard, they're like the mustard strength to be like, one more time. They push for the one more time. And those push sometimes could bring out that stored in strength and just causes things to go off the roof, right? And that is when breakthroughs happen, when people have toiled trying to figure out something. They've worked, they've labored, they've taken some time, and things seems not to be going the way they really want it to go. And they're like, I really want to give up. I feel tired, but they get in their serve, right? And they're pushing that last strength, like boom, it just comes with that extra force that is stored with it. Because when people don't understand, there's always a reservoir of power or something that is in us, and when we get to our wits' end, we could tap into our reservoir to give us that extra layer of strength. All right, is that what happened? Apparently, it doesn't look like that is what happened. But guess what? It was not worth exploring that idea. That is what this thing is all about. We are learning together, right? We are both learning. We are all learning how we can become better traders and how we can do things in real time. The 5 minute, however, was giving us something great. All right, let's see. That's a good distribution. Let me see by how much pips, by how much points. Look at me putting my Forex lenses on how much pips, how much points the market is willing to go to give us during its distribution phase. Let's see. Let's start it from the first breakout that happened. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I love that. Oh boy. We were absolutely right. Yeah, the market is gonna come back to that low, grabbing that liquidity. Grabbing that liquidity. I think that's what is gonna happen. Oh boy. We were right, but we came up out a little bit too early. The market will just grab that area. Oh boy. That is a strong move. $55.50 points correction. That is a strong move. Oh boy. Let's see. It's about to be the market open. Price is just going. Does it mean when the market open, price is going to be a buy after the last hours went all the way down? Could we get something from that? Market open. Is this going to be a reversal? Are the buyers going to take over at the market open? Look at buyers. Look at the buyers. The buyers are trying to. Are they going to take over? Are they going to take over, boys, or the trend is going to continue to the downside? Oh, boy. Possibly they will take over. The market respected that area, faking out a lot of people thinking it was going to go further down. And I think it probably going to take us for that. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that rejection. Oh, look at that rejection. Now, this is an indication. That is not a good rejection. That is an indication. If you ask me, it's a buy. If you ask me, I'll tell you it's a buy, right? It's a buy. It's a buy. Stop loss right here. We can go for a 1 to 2. Whenever you see the market create that strong wick, it's not a rejection. That is a buy. We can even go to there. We can put it there. We can put it there. Yep. There we go. There we go. No better feeling than this, boys. Look at that. Look at that. We got in right in the money. Right in the money. Let's see. We are break even right now. Is the market going to give us complete cookies? Come on, give us almost 1:3. Give it up. Give it to us. Give it to us. Don't be greedy. Come on now. Don't be greedy. Give it to your boy. Don't be greedy. Oh no, oh no. Are we break even? Should we have closed out of this trade? No. Let's hold on. The market will give it to us. Give it to us, Paddy. Give it to us. Give it to us. Give it to us. Give it to us. No. Not tomorrow. Not tomorrow, like right now. Look at that. What? That was a winner. 2 winners for the day. 2 freaking winners. 2 freaking winners. What you gonna do with me today? We crushing it out here, boys. In case you're somewhere around the freaking world and you don't know, we are the biggest, and I mean the boldest and the most precise, the most strategic, the most patient and diligent traders in the on the freaking planet, and you are not one of us. What are you waiting for? Getting on it. Get on board, boys. You can be in any other trading room than to be right here trading with the upwind traders. You can be anywhere else. What you doing with your life? What you doing with your life? Oh, boy, 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 boy. I love it. I love it. I love saying what I'm saying. Right now, we can take a break, okay? We can be chill a little bit. Why people are coming in the market now, they are being, when the market open, it is not stable. Don't trading the pre-market. It is not open. We wait for the market to open the first 30 minutes to get stable. Boo! We don't do that. We go against everybody. That is what we do. We go the first hour before the market opens and 1 hour after the market opens. By the time you'll be trying to figure shit out before getting in the market, guess what? We're already checking out. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Right now, boys, we're doing nothing, all right? If you're wondering what are we going to be doing, we ain't gonna be doing nothing. We're gonna wait. Maybe that's our trade for today. Maybe there could be a little something, but if you have 2 hours, you're not gonna mess it up. You're not gonna mess it up. You gotta sit on your hands and just relax. You ain't gonna try to getting again and just trying to do a lot of stupid things now. That ain't gonna be us. Let's look at what the market is happening. Right now, the buyers are in control, but I'm concerned about this rejection right there, and that is a good enough area for there to be a rejection in there. Is it good enough for a rejection? So the buyers are rejecting. Seems like momentum is turning. Or there is a battle in terms of who is in control right now. I don't know. If you ask me, I don't know. I don't know who is in control. I don't know who is in control. But it seems like the sellers are trying to take over. This was a very crucial price action right there. That doji bar was kinda entertaining. Oh boys, Are the sellers gonna be in control right now? Are you gonna let the sellers to take over these things, guys? Are you for real? Are you gonna let them take it? Come on, buyers, y'all can do better. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Buyers, y'all could do better. Y'all could do better. All right. Don't let them take it. Don't let them sellers take it. No, 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 no. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. A little fight going on. I could see some retail traders. They are there like, I thought it was going to be an uptrend. I thought the market was going to continue to go on. No, buddy. You just took the stupid pill. You just took the stupid pill. That's exactly what you did. But guess what? We're not gonna chicken out. Interesting. Interesting. Oh boy. Yup. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Boy, oh boy. Are the buyers want to take over? Oh, I see. We were a little bit incongruent in our understanding, boys. Let's take a lesson moment. Whenever you see this candle, like a small body and a long wick, that is not a rejection. That is a direction, boys and girls. The market will at least go past that. That was a direction, boys and girls. Direction right there. Yup, that was a direction. We missed calling that out. That was a direction, but it's not a guarantee. Price will continue going in that direction. All right. Let's look what is happening. So the market took all the liquidity right here, and just buyers and just sellers, they were like, market is going down. And it went back. And now where we are right now, nobody knows. Nobody knows. All right, boys and girls, nothing is clear right now. All right. Let's see how everything plays out. Strong rejection area. You don't want to do anything right now. The market. All right. Interesting. So overall, the market has been trending. The bias it's been an upward market from its closing price. So, and we had this correction to the downside, and it seems like the market is ready now to take things to the next level. In that kind of situation, what could be our next entry? Ladies and gentlemen, if you ask me, I will tell you, let's go back. Let's go back to the 5 minute, okay? Oh, it looks like we will have another entry, right? The market went back, testing this fake breakout. That could be, is resisting, okay? That could be our second entry. Good job. It's rejecting that area. Oh, that could be our entry. If you wanted, you could have gotten in for a low probability trade and higher risk reward. Low probability in terms of the market has not settled yet, right? Price just came in strong, but you have a higher reward. Or if you want to wait for price to be more settled and for the 5 minute candle to close, so you can get in, or you can get in earlier. You decide. You gotta decide. I'm not gonna tell you what to do before you be like, oh no, you told me to get into this trade. Now I'm blaming you for all my losses because you made me do it. No, I did not make you do anything. You are an adult, right? Nobody should make you do anything that you've not considered to do by your amazing self. All right? So I'm just going to tell you what I think. All right, that's what I said. Wait. The market did not respect that area. It did not. It did not respect that area. Let's see. But however, let's see. Let's see. Interesting. Let's see how far price can go. How price can go before it. All right. The bulls are fully in charge. They don't wanna give a flip of of what you think. They are literally all right. They took us. Could it be something? Could it be something? Could the market be trying to give up something for the sellers? But we don't know. We don't know. We don't know. Oh. Yeah, this is a retracement. This could be a buy. This could be another buy. This could be another buy. And stop loss right below here. That's a scalping opportunity. That could be a scalping opportunity right there. Just a little scalp. Stop loss right there. Yep. The market has not given us any reason that it's trying to come back down. That could be a good scalp. Following the trend. Oh, no, are you a trend followers too? Yeah, we read market and we react based on the data that has been presented to us. We are not married to a certain ideology, so to speak. We are flexible and to let the market come to us and talk to us. Talk to me, markets. Talk to me. Look at that. That was still a good entry. The market is coming back to test that area of retracement that it was created. Still a good entry if you ask me. Seems like it's going to go further up. I love it. I love it. I love it. Take it to the moon. Take it to the moon. Take it to the moon. Don't spell me. Take me with you. Take me with you, buyers. I'm all in on this one. I'm all in. And I'm not gonna chicken out. You better believe that. We are not gonna chicken out. You better believe that. Look at everything that is happening. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Let's go. Let's go. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Let's see. Are the sellers tired? Are the buyers tired of taking this thing all the way? Are they showing any sign of weakness? Interesting. That area we are in now is our 13 pips movement pre-correction. Oh no, are they showing a sign of weakness? I don't think so. Oh, give it to us. Give it to us. We are up to something today, boys. This is 3R for today. We are up to something, boys. 1:2. We got in that and peasy. We are on fire today. We just took three winners in the freaking row. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Should we wait on this one or should we just take 2R and just call it a quit? Are we seeing any sign of weakness from the buyers? Are they showing us a sign of weakness? Do you all see them showing a sign of weakness? Do you all see it? Oh, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. I mean, we took our 2R. We're good for today. 1:2 is good. We don't want to be greedy. We could be greedy, but do we really want to be greedy? Do we really want to be greedy? Hey, ChatGPT. Hey, buddy. Talk to your boy Arnold. What is the average point move of NQ in a day? What is the average? And what is the highest point move NQ has moved within a day? The highest and the lowest and the average. Talk to me, buddy. Talk to me. Talk to me. All right, buddy. You look at what is happening right now. Right now, NQ is 102 points away from the open price, and the price has changed by 0.80%. Are you telling me it's a little bit overbought, or is that a normal point movement? So what I'm saying, NQ has moved now by 220 points right now, and we are just 23 minutes into New York Open, right? So is that normal, or is that could be like a little bit on the extreme side of things? All right, buddy. So what is the normal point movement within from, let's say, from 8:30 Eastern pre-market to 10:30 Eastern, 1 hour after the markets open, right? So 1 hour before market opens and 1 hour after market opens. So what is the normal normal point move on NQ around those 2 hours block? So since today we are on the higher side, is there some kind of a news event or something that is in the horizon that could be the reason behind such a move at this time? Did you get my question, buddy? All right, guys, I think the market is now officially going to go down. And a couple of reasons we see right here. This was a higher high that was created. The market came back, break pause at high, and faking out more buyers, thinking, hey, this is eventually gonna go up, gonna keep going up. Then we had this strong move from the sellers, and at the same time, other sellers think it's gonna go down. The market is just trying to misdirect them. So I'm thinking right now, the market is really gonna go down from here. But if you ask me, if we have to get into another trade, we'll go in for a sell. But we're not gonna do it stupidly, and we're still gonna be very smart the way we do it. I would say maybe we can. Oh, yeah. Is it too late? Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Our stop loss is gonna be right here at the high. We can go one little position there. We get into our second position. We get into our second position right here, and just let the market give us something. Already we are ready. Yeah, second position filled out, and everything else stop loss is gonna be at this high. The market comes there. Okay, we took a chance. We took a chance. We took a chance. We took a chance, but overall we are 3 hours in profit. Let's let this play out. This has a possibility of giving us a longer retracement to the downside. Look at that. Look at the market listening to us, boys. Look at, isn't that crazy that the market is gonna listen to a flipping? Look at that. I like this rejection candle. This rejection candle. Oh, it's rejecting more like the buyers are trying to take over, and the sellers are fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. It's like an indecision candle. It's not a direction candle. It's not a rejection candle. This is an indecision. Both the buyers and the sellers are fighting right here. That is a point of decision. They are deciding, are we going to go up or are we going to go down? And if we are going down, can we take some captive with us? So they are taking captives. Can we fit in orders? Can we grab liquidity before eventually go down? They created this level. They came, grab the liquidity, and they went down, inducing sellers that they're going down. And most sellers were here. They came, maybe they grabbing some stop losses that had tight stop losses and took them out. And now eventually the market will probably go back down. Let's see. We are 3 hours in profit, right? This could be the 4th hour. Why not, right? Why not? Why not go for it? And that's exactly what we did. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see. Let's freaking go. How does it play out? Is a market gonna come to us with some bacon and be like, hey, Arnold, I just love you so much. Grab you that bacon and eat. Not an easy price action right now. The market is not trying to give us anything substantial. It looks like they are keeping us in the loop. We're not gonna give you guys nothing substantial. Guess what? Okay. Are they gonna take our stop losses? Oh, look at that. It went back touching that area of force manipulation. Oh, that was initial thinking about it. That was possibly our right entry. The market came back and retesting the fake breakout. That was possibly our right entry. Oh no, it took us out. We are 2-0, one loss. It's okay. Was it what the risks? Look at it. We made a mistake. If we are stick to our initial plan, our entry should have been here. Oh boy. The market executed exactly. Our entry was supposed to be here. Manipulation, retest of the manipulation. And this is when now the market is going to give us that bacon. Our entry was supposed to be here. This is the real move now. This is the real money move. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, this is a real money move now. The market is going to go down from here like crazy. But the only thing that is getting me a little bit concerned, I don't like this rejection too much. This rejection could be an indication the market could come back bullish into this place. Yeah, it's not a good rejection. That's the only concern, but I feel like we are in for a distribution, but the distribution could be short-lived. But the market does not do what he ought to do at all times, right? But let's see. Interesting. Go. Yeah. The market could come back. This area could be like a direction. All this thing that is happening, maybe it could just be a manipulation to grab some orders. And the market can eventually go back up. This candle is a little bit what is making me not to be too convinced that this is gonna be a push. Looks like a bullish direction or bias buy candle. All right. Are we good? We're good now. We're good. Not completely. This area is a strong resistant area. Price is literally not trying to go there. All right, guys. I just noticed no, we are all looking the same thing. We are all on the 1 minute. So all right, so this looks like this is gonna give us that move. It's gonna give us that long. If the market break past this area, is gonna give us a longer distribution. I mean, it could give us a couple of points. If we break past that area at this moment, the trade should be risk free. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That could be a lot more interesting. That could give us about 50-point move to the downside. Oh, that area is a defining. If it breaks that area, boys and girls, we're gonna be up for something. Are they trying to make this area to be a resistance? If the market break this area, we're gonna be in for something incredible. Oh, so right now we are not convinced in terms of the direction. We are at a critical junction right now. The buyers and the sellers are not willing to give blocks, so they're fighting to maintain their staying power. And it was a good risk reward. It was a good risk reward. From there to here, it's a good result of 34 points. Beautiful. 3:5, 3:4, 5. Beautiful. Remember when I said this, I was concerned by this candle. Whenever you see a small candle, body candle, and a long wick, that is not a good rejection. That is a direction. So I'm thinking this move was going to be short-lived because of this candle. Right now, it went there, induced more sellers that it was going to go down. It's coming back up. It can possibly come and touch this area and just keep going up. But I didn't like this candle. I don't know. Let's see. What do I know? What do I know? Hope I'm not right again. Okay. Interesting. We got 23 more minutes. We are 2 hours in profit. What is happening? Is the market trying to go back to fill that gap? Boys, what did I tell you? What did I say? What did I say? It's going back. Gonna probably maybe at least fill that gap. Then maybe this is the right move. Maybe this is gonna be the right distribution to the downside. Or it's just gonna go crazy afterward. Maybe this is gonna be the right one. And that buy was too strong. When the buy is too strong like that, to me, the buy getting close to a previous area of liquidity is too strong like that is concerning to me. It's concerning. So a couple of things could happen here. This could give us the real distribution and price could go all the way down up to 50 points. Oh, this could be a strong continuation. Whatever happened right now is very pivotal in terms of what the market is definitely gonna do. And you don't want to miss it for no freaking reason. Look at that. Didn't your boy Arnold tell you that? That was gonna be defining, and see, look at it happening to the upside. That was a defining moment. That was a defining moment. The market break this area as well. Came for the retails, feeling the order went back down, then gone up. So there's no liquidity at all now. Let's see where price is gonna go and establish something magnanimous for us. Look at that. Let's see what our 5-minute chart is telling us. Yeah, the market in our 5-minute. This is, according to our 5-minute, this is the real breakout. That's a breakout. That's a false breakout, right? And according to our 5-minute, that's the first false breakout. Price could come back, could retrace into this area, go back up, then then come back down. So let's see. Our 5-minute gave us a better picture of what is happening. So as per our 5-minute, couple of things we gotta watch, right? As per our 5-minute, this area as per our 5-minute, the first breakout is here. And it has retraced now. The market has made a retracement. If it comes back, there, that would be retracement in that area. Let's see. All right, the retracement came. It might not be exactly like what we drew, right? So this was an inducement candle. A lot of buyers thought price was going to keep going. So it's creating that retracement, coming back, grabbing most of the buyer stop losses. And it's probably going to induce a lot of sellers thinking it's going to go down. Then we expect it to come back here. And our second entry is going to be right there. Well, that's our 5th entry. So maybe 1350 stop loss. Then this is we're gonna expect this to be a massive move. Let's play it out. Let's let it play out. Let it play out, boys. We got 15 more minutes. Could the market give us an opportunity in 15 minutes? Could the market give us an opportunity? Let's see. Let's see. Anna, why are you yawning so hard? Are you hungry? Go get something to eat. All right, let's see. Let's see if the market is gonna come all the way for a retest, or this was a slow retest, not a complete retest, but we're not going to fight it. We're not going to fight it. Are they still baiting people? Are they still baiting more sellers? Is this the actual move, or is this a bait? At all time, we have to think, is it a move or is this a bait? Is it a move or is it a bait? Are they baiting sellers to think all sellers are in control and for them to come in and put in the kitchen sink, or is this the actual move of the market? We can't tell completely, but looking at things, it seems like this time around, the retest was not a complete retest. This little pullback right there might have been what it is. No, I don't think so. I think it's going to be a little bit deep into this area. It will come all the way here. It's going to take time. It's going to take time. We're not going to hurry. We're not going to hurry and do anything stupid. We got to wait, right? Because some of y'all can't sit on your hands and you start doing a lot of stupid things because you're chasing price and you think by you chasing the market, you're going to make money because you can't just sit and do nothing, right? Some of you guys are foremost wreck where you just want to chase every little opportunity in the market. But guess what? If you check every little opportunity in the market, you're gonna be screwed and you're gonna lose a whole lot. And guess what? I have nothing against you, but I don't want you to lose either. I love you so much. If you don't love yourself, no, I love you so much, and I don't want you to lose your money to the market. You might as well send it to me on Zelle than giving to all these crazy corporates that have trillions of dollars. You giving them your $10,000 is not gonna make any difference in the life, but if you give that money to your boy Arnold, that could make a whole lot of difference. So rather than doing some stupidity and being a formal wreck in the markets when you're gonna lose all your money, you might as well send that money to your boy Arnold to go sit on the beach and enjoy the best out of life than giving to all them great corporation. Okay, so the moral of the story is patience. Patience is what you need, and in situations like this, patience is what is going to pay off. The market seems like everything is going down, but we are waiting for the market to come back and retrace into the first breakout, and then it will be an opportunity for yours truly, Arnold Atanga. Oh, all right. Is the market gonna break past this area, or is it gonna go back up to give us our entry? Patience is the order of the day. This is a defining decision. How is the market gonna, is this a real move? Are they gonna break out here? Is this a real move to the downside, or this is an endorsement? Two things could happen. Is it a real move, or this is a trap? This is a fake breakout. Is this a fake? Is this fake? Is it real? Is it a real move, or is it a fake? The world is governed by real and fakes, even in the market. That is an aspect of human nature, faking and being real. There is what is an absolute truth. There is what is subjective. There is true and there is false. There is a false move, there is a fake move, and there is a true and there is a real move. What is it? Are you? What part are you? Are you faking it out, or are you being real? Is the market faking it out? Was that sell move a fake out? Apparently, it seems like it was. Let's wait if the market is going to take us. The buyer is going to take us also our entry, and we're going to go for it. And that entry could be the juggernaut for the day. It could be that moves that give us the squeeze, that give us a real squeeze. We're not talking about just some kind of little squeeze. Now, the real squeeze that can put a fat smile on your face. All right. Oh boy, I'm loving this. Look at that. Look at that. Is the market Siemens? It looks like they are trying to be kind to us. Even right here, if we were scalping, this was a good rejection bar right there. Scalpers could have gone in tight stop loss right below this level and wait for the market to take us to that area. That would have been a good scalp too. So we try to see things on different perspective. That is the way we trade. That is the way we trade. We just that awesome. Okay, price. Okay, give it to your boy. Your boy's tired of waiting. Give it to me. There we go. Take us to our entry. Beautiful. Take us there, please, Chad. Don't let us halfway. Don't let FOMO have an advantage over us. Please take us to our entry. Oh no. The temptation, the FOMO is getting on when you get close to your entry, boys. The FOMO is like, should I just get in there? Should I wait? Should I get in? Should I wait? Should I get in or should I wait? That's what is going in my head. Should I get in now? There's a part of me saying, get it now. There's a part of me saying, I'll not wait for the right entry. Wait for it to come right to your doorsteps. Just wait for it to come to your doorsteps. I'm sorry, I can't wait. I can't wait no more. I'm gonna getting a little trade there. I'm gonna getting a little there. And I'm gonna get another one here. Just because I can't wait. FOMO is getting the better of me. But I don't want to lose it all. What if the market does not go completely? What if it goes completely? And again, you look, it seems like the buyers are losing steam. I don't want to miss that big move. That big move is important to me. It's so important to me. Are the buyers losing steam? 5 more minutes to go. 5 more minutes to go for your boy Arnold to be done with trading for today. 2 hours. That's what we do. We ain't gonna kill ourselves. Some of you will be killing yourself and staying in the market for freaking 5 to 10 hours with all kinds of charts on your screen. But that's not us. I like that. That was quite an interesting unfolding of event right there. The sellers introduced their head and the buyers are having like slow giving up slowly. And what could happen? Could the sellers just take over this thing and get us paid? Can y'all just do that? Can you just get me paid? Let's get paid again. The fourth time. How about let's just make our bank account great again? All right? Let's just do it. Come on, sellers. Make up my bank account great again. Just make my bank account great again. That's all. Do it for me. Please. All right. Oh, interesting. I don't like the way price is playing around that level. The sellers are not trying to take over the play, and they're leaving the buyers to linger around. Could it safe to say I don't just want to see the buyers around that price level? I just want them to be out. Like honestly, like real talk. I just want them to be out. Take me the buyers out. They have no reason to be on there. This is the sellers' times, baby. It's time for the sellers to take over this thing, baby. I like that. The buyers are giving up. They're listening to me. They better do. They better listen to us. All right? Oh, boy. We are in for it. This is it. This is it. That's why sometimes, guys, it's a learning lesson. Sometimes you have to let your intuition guide you as well, right? So we're waiting for the market to come at our exact entry, but at the same time, technically, it wasn't our exact entry. We were considering the week. But if we didn't consider the week, our entry would have been exactly where we got in, not the other way. This was the right entry. So the right entry wasn't here. That was a week. It was the right entry. Yep. So we got in. We did good. We did good. We did good. I'm believing that this is gonna be the distribution move that takes price all the way down. I believe there's gonna be a stronger sell pressure that just takes this thing like all the way here, Mary down. That's what I believe. But I don't know why it's taking long. It seems like it's not going to be an easy sailing to the downside. It seems like the market is going to put us in a roller coaster of emotion to kind of fake us out. Oh boy, it seems like time. All right, guys, today was an amazing day. We had together 3 hours, and right now we're in profit for eventually another 4 hours for the day. Quite explosive. The market was literally giving. The market was giving to us today. Respecting fake breakout, coming back, retest, and we were just getting into that thing. So, love you all. Arnold is checking out. And road to $1 million payout. That is what we're going to do. And you watch us do. I know that a lot of you doubters that are out there, but you watch us. get our $1 million payout with the futures market. This is day one of many more days that is to come. Don't forget to join us live 8:30 to 10:30, 2 hours for the futures market. And in the evening, we're not letting anything out. In the evening, we're going to be trading Forex Asia market 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And we're going to be doing our thing, calling it live and making some money together. You don't want to miss it. And till we see today in the evening, remember, you are a champion. And see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, guys. See you today. Today, 6 p.m. we are here. Don't miss it for no reason.